Welcome to another Surfboards.com product tutorial. Today we're going to take a quick look at soft rack doubles, a great transportation solution for your board when your vehicle can't accommodate a standard rack. This video will show you what a soft rack is and how easy they are to install. Today we are using the Block Surf Double. First, unwrap your racks and lay them across the top of your car with the doors open. Make sure the racks are in the upright position. Fasten the underside of the soft rack inside of your car with the doors open. Loosen the top straps, then place and secure your board. To fasten the straps, squeeze the latch open and feed the strap through. Then hold the latch open and pull tight to secure. Soft racks are a great affordable way to safely move your surfboards. Subscribe to our channel and check out Surfboards.com for the Block Surf Wrap Racks Double and for all of your surf shop needs.